DevOps. Lecture 2. Today we will learn about Agile software development, introduction to Agile methodology, Agile principles and values, Agile framework, Scrum, Kanban. Introduction to Agile methodology. Agile methodology is a software development approach that emphasizes collaboration, flexibility, and rapid iteration. The Agile approach is based on the Agile Manifesto, a set of principles for software development that values individuals and interactions, working software, customer collaboration, and responding to change. Agile methodology is designed to be flexible and adaptable to changing requirements and customer needs. The Agile approach emphasizes working in short iterations, typically 2 to 4 weeks, and delivering working software at the end of each iteration. This approach allows for faster feedback and reduces the risk of wasted effort on features that may not be valuable to the customer. Agile methodology encourages collaboration and communication between developers, customers, and other stakeholders. This collaboration helps to ensure that everyone is aligned on goals, priorities, and progress, and that everyone has a shared understanding of the project requirements and scope. Agile principles and values. The Agile methodology is based on a set of principles and values that guide software development teams in their work. The Agile Manifesto outlines 4 key values and 12 principles that form the foundation of the Agile approach. The 4 Agile values are: 1. Individuals and interactions over processes and tools. This value emphasizes the importance of people and their interactions in software development. Agile teams prioritize collaboration and communication and recognize that processes and tools are important. 2. Working software over comprehensive documentation. This value emphasizes the importance of delivering working software over documenting every detail of the development process. Agile teams prioritize delivering value to the customer through working software and use documentation as needed to support that goal. 3. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. This value emphasizes the importance of working closely with customers and stakeholders to understand their needs and priorities. Agile teams prioritize collaboration over negotiating contracts or requirements and work with customers to deliver the best possible outcome. For responding to change over following a plan. This value emphasizes the importance of flexibility and adaptability in software development. Agile teams prioritize responding to changing requirements and customer needs over following a rigid plan, and are willing to make changes as needed to achieve the best possible outcome. The 12 Agile principles build on these 4 values and include: 1. Satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. 2. Welcome changing requirements, even late in the development process. 3. Deliver working software frequently, with a preference for shorter timescales. 4. Collaborate closely between developers, customers, and other stakeholders throughout the project. 5. Build projects around motivated individuals and give them the resources and support they need to get the job done. 6. Use face-to-face communication whenever possible and recognize its importance in building trust and shared understanding. 7. Measure progress primarily through working software rather than documentation or other metrics. 8. Maintain a sustainable pace of work and avoid overworking or burnout. 9. Focus on technical excellence and good design, which enable agility and long-term success. 10. Keep things simple and eliminate unnecessary complexity wherever possible. 11. Empower the team to make decisions and take ownership of their work. 12. Reflect regularly on the process and outcomes and identify opportunities for improvement. Agile frameworks. Scrum, Kanban. Scrum and Kanban are 2 popular Agile frameworks that teams use to implement the Agile methodology in their software development process. Both frameworks are designed to help teams work more efficiently and effectively while delivering high-quality software that meets customer needs. Scrum is an iterative and incremental agile framework that is designed to help teams manage complex projects. In Scrum, the team works in sprints, which are short iterations typically lasting 1-4 weeks. During each sprint, the team plans, designs, develops, tests, and delivers a potentially shippable product increment. Scrum uses several key artifacts, including a product backlog, sprint backlog, and burn-down chart to help the team stay on track and focused on delivering value to the customer. Kanban, on the other hand, is a lean-based agile framework that emphasizes continuous flow and visual management. Kanban uses a Kanban board, which is a visual representation of the work in progress, to help the team manage their work and identify bottlenecks and opportunities for improvement. Kanban focuses on optimizing the flow of work and improving lead times and delivery times. Kanban teams typically use a pull-based system where work is pulled through the process based on capacity and demand. Both Scrum and Kanban have their strengths and weaknesses, and teams can choose the framework that best suits their needs and context. Scrum is ideal for teams working on complex projects with a lot of uncertainty and change, while Kanban is better suited for teams that need to manage a steady flow of work with a focus on continuous improvement. Ultimately, the key to success with either framework is to embrace the agile principles and values and to continuously reflect on and improve the process. Thanks for watching. Wait for more informative video.